In front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching Clock app that's already on your device. And then clicking on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now to create a new one, use this plus at the bottom right one and manage it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on Repeat and pick one of those options. Once, Daily, Monday to Friday, Shift Alarms. You can adjust each one here. Or Customize. Over here, click on Days of the week you wanna apply and go back. When you're ready, click on Ringtone. Tap on any of those melodies here, select Preinstalled or Local Ringtone, and tap on Apply next to the chosen one. Then choose OK to confirm your choice. You need to also tap on Allow for it to work. Now use this plus at the bottom right corner, and if you want to pick a song from your device instead, pick one of those sound sources, click on Agree, tap on Allow, Allow All, and click on a song you wanna apply. Make sure to tap on Apply next to it over here and hit OK. Now tap on Allow one last time and use this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to turn it off or switch it on. Then hit Label to name it. And finally, to save it, use this checkmark at the top right corner. You can always edit it by clicking on it, making all changes you want. For example, I will change to the Shift Alarms. And then pick a different hour. You need to make sure to click on the checkmark at the top right corner over here to save your changes. Now to turn on or off your alarm, use the switcher next to it and pick one of those options from the pop-up. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!